Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 19th of February and we are going to see all of the important questions for the day. So be attentive till the end. And to get the updates of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name, Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username, The Students Point. And if you find the video useful, then don't hesitate to like the video and share the video with as many friends of yours as you can. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification at the earliest. Now here's the question for the day. Everyone has to answer this question in the comment section below. The question is चित्तौरा झील, जिसे हम अस्तवर्का झील के नाम से भी जानते हैं, it is located in which state? So let's see how many of you can recall it. The first question, which article of the Constitution provides that every person who is arrested and detained in custody has to be produced before the nearest magistrate? This article even provides the time period, that is 24 hours. So anyone, if a person has been arrested or detained, the person must be produced before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours. However, this time excludes the journey time. जर्नी टाइम यानी कि द जर्नी टाइम मीन्स द प्लेस ऑफ अरेस्ट और मजिस्ट्रेट के पास ले जाने में जो भी टाइम लगेगा उस टाइम को एक्सक्लूड करके ये 24 आवर्स कैलकुलेट किया जाता है. सो हियर दिस इज आर्टिकल 22. सो बी इज राइट आंसर. दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स इन पार्ट 3 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस आर्टिकल अ पर्सन मस्ट बी प्रोड्यूस्ड विद इन द नियरेस्ट मजिस्ट्रेट विद इन 24 आवर्स. Why it was in news? Because recently the Bombay High Court on Tuesday has granted the transit anticipatory bail to Shantanu Sivalal Muluk in the Greta Thunberg toolkit case, which was registered by the Delhi police in connection with the ongoing protest against the three farm bills. Greta Thunberg, who is an environmental activist from Sweden, has released a toolkit जिसमें anyone if want to get some idea of the ongoing farmer protest कि फार्मर प्रोटेस्ट को कैसे सपोर्ट करना है, तो इस टूल किट से उन्हें आसानी से जानकारी मिल सकती है. तो इस टूल किट को बहुत लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं. तो इसी केस में इनका नाम आया था शांतनु शिवलाल मुलुक का. तो उन पर दिल्ली पुलिस ने केस फायर किया था अरेस्ट करने के लिए. बट नाउ बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट हैज़ ग्रांटेड ट्रांजिट एंटिसिपेटरी बेल. यहाँ पे ट्रांजिट एंटिसिपेटरी बेल कहने का मतलब ये दैट बेल हैज़ बिन ग्रांटेड इवन बिफोर द अरेस्ट. अभी अरेस्ट हुआ नहीं था. दिल्ली पुलिस वॉज प्लानिंग टू अरेस्ट शांतनु, बट बिफोर द अरेस्ट द कोर्ट हैज़ ग्रांटेड द बेल. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ, विच इज़ द फर्स्ट इंडियन सिटी टू ऑपरेट बसेस रनिंग ऑन हाइड्रोजन स्पाइक्ड कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस. यानी कि इसमें सम परसेंटेज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन विल बी मिक्सड विथ CNG. So it is Delhi. So here A is the right answer. Delhi became the first Indian city to do so and it has launched it for 6-month pilot basis. और ये 2020 में ही लॉन्च किया गया था. And the buses will run on a new technology patented by Indian Oil Corporation for producing HCNG, जिसमें 18% of hydrogen will be blended with CNG directly from natural gas without resorting to conventional blending. Why news? Because India has recently announced that a new national hydrogen mission will be launched and the budget will be followed up with a mission draft over the next couple of months. To get the PDFs of all these videos, you can subscribe to either of the plan. The link to subscribe to this plan or either of the plan has been provided below in the comment section as well as in the description of the video. साथ ही सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद यू हैव टू सेंड योर कन्फर्मेशन मेल हियर एट दिस email ID. Also, if you are preparing for UPSC for next year and for PCS this year, then you can learn the entire course within this much amount, that is 2499. You can even choose to pay the price in 2 installments. And after subscribing to this course, send your confirmation mail here at pointstudent2020@gmail.com. How to subscribe to this course? So go below at the comment section. I have provided the link there. and you can subscribe from there. Also, to study only the modular course of economy, which will cover the syllabus for UPSC, PCS, and EPFO, this course cost rupees just 599. Again, the link to subscribe to this course has been provided below in the comment section, so go and subscribe. The third question of Kasaragod solar power plant is inaugurated in, so it is inaugurated in Kerala. So here A is right answer. It has been developed under National Solar Energy Mission. It has been set up over 250 acres of land. कहाँ पे? तो पाईवालिका, मिंजा और चिपार विलेज of Kasaragod district. It has been built with central government's investment of 280 crores. Next question now, very important. Consider the following statements about energy or India Energy Outlook 2021 report. It has been released by the International Energy Agency. This is correct. According to this report, India will be the third largest energy consumer by 2030. This is also correct. So at present, India is the fourth largest energy consumer after China, US, and European Union. But by 2030, India is expected to surpass the consumption of energy by European Union, and it will become the third largest consumer of energy. So here both of these options are correct. So C is the right answer. India will make up biggest share of energy demand growth at 25% over the next 2 decades, as it overtakes the European Union as the third largest consumer. साथ ही India's energy consumption is expected to nearly double as the nation's GDP expands to an estimated $8.6 trillion by 2040. साथ ही please note that India became an associate member. So India is not a full-time or permanent member of IEA. India is just an associate member of IEA, and it became an associate member in the year 2017. The next question. India is going to sign a comprehensive energy cooperation and partnership agreement with which African country? So it is with Mauritius that India has planned to sign a comprehensive economic cooperation and partnership agreement. As such, Mauritius will be the first such African country with which India is going to sign such an agreement. The agreement is a limited agreement. It will cover trade in goods, rules of origin, यानी कि जो गुड है, गुड्स वो कहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चर किया गया है, उसका ऑरिजिन पॉइंट कहाँ पे है, साथ ही ट्रेड इन सर्विसेज, टेक्निकल बैरियर्स टू ट्रेड, सैनिटरी एंड फाइटोसैनिटरी मेजर्स, यानी कि the quality and the cleanliness of that product, साथ ही dispute settlement, movement of natural persons, telecom, financial services, customs procedures, and cooperation in other areas. So all these areas will be covered under this agreement. The next question now, which is the largest producer of jute? So it is India, the largest producer of jute. So here D is the right answer. See, jute is mainly concentrated in eastern India because of the rich alluvial soil. So jute is mainly grown in alluvial soil of Ganga Brahmaputra delta. The states include West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, आंध्र प्रदेश, और उसके बाद तेलंगाना में भी ये होता है, साथ ही आसाम एंड मेघालय. The Ministry of Textiles has launched a certified jute seed distribution plan under Jute Eye Care program. और ये Jute Eye Care stands for Improved Cultivation and Advanced Rating Exercise for Jute. It was launched in 2015. It was initiated by National Jute Board in association with Central Research Institute for Research in Jute and Allied Fibers. एक और पॉइंट, जूट इज रिफर्ड एज गोल्डन फाइबर. गोल्डन फाइबर बोला जाता है जूट को. If you have found the video useful till now, then don't hesitate to like the video and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Now let's see some more points in news. Prime Minister Modi has recently inaugurated 75 million liter per day water treatment plant at Aruvikara in Kerala. साथ ही Prime Minister has also decided to lay the foundation stone of the Integrated Command and Control Center at Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. And this control room will act as a single point for coordinated actions and decision making among various agencies like police, civil supplies, revenue, health, and firefighting. The next news now. The scientists have discovered the oldest DNA on record from the teeth of Siberian mammoths. The DNA was extracted from the molars of mammoths. These mammoths were found in northeastern Siberia. So mammoths, elephant-like appearance in Katha, now they are extinct. They used to exist on Earth millions of years ago, and a mammoth is any species of the extinct elephantid genus Mammuthus. So I hope everyone has found the video useful. To get the PDF, subscribe to either of the plan. Also don't forget to like the video and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.